In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 130 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that usually appears when Steam is having trouble loading web pages, like the store or community sections. The good news is, you can fix it in just a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to completely close Steam. This is important because Steam often keeps running in the background even after you close the window. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look for any processes called steam.exe. When you find them, click on each one and hit End Task. Make sure all Steam processes are closed before moving on. Next, go ahead and reopen Steam. Once it launches, look at the top left corner and click on Steam, then go into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the Download section. Here, you'll see an option that says Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click that. Steam will ask you to confirm, and it may log you out. That's completely normal. Just log back in once it restarts. After that, while you're still in Settings, head over to the in-game section. Here, you'll see an option called Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. For now, turn this off. This is just a temporary step to help troubleshoot the error, as sometimes the overlay can interfere with Steam's web features. Once you've done that, go ahead and fully restart Steam again. Close it completely and reopen it just to make sure all changes take effect properly. At this point, try accessing the Steam store or any page that was giving you the error 130. In most cases, the issue should now be resolved. This method works because clearing the download cache refreshes Steam's connection data, and disabling the overlay removes potential conflicts. If you're still seeing the error after this, you may want to check your internet connection or firewall settings. But in most situations, these steps will fix the problem right away. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error 130. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.